What's up everyone? Right here I have a long block for Jared at Full Circle Garage 2006 STI. So I'm sure that name rings a bell with a lot of you guys, but about half a year ago he reached out to me and wanted to surprise his wife with her dream car, which was a Hawkeye blue on gold 2006 STI. So we took the project on and it's been a blast so far working with him and everything else. Well, we made our first stop on the maiden voyage before we head over to Nick Talley at Talley Customs to get the windows retinted, get some fresh 91 in it, give this STI a taste of our Oklahoma pond water, the most knock-prone fuel known to man. It's a joke, but yeah, anyway. Luckily, it's going to be sipping on that 93 in Florida, so be just fine. But we're going to go drive it over to Nick's place, drop it off, get the windows tinted, and yeah, man, this thing's turned out really, really sick. So
car's sick, man.
what's up guys, we're here over at Nick Talley's shop, Talley Customs. He handles all of our window tint and stuff. We actually just cruised the car up here from the gas station, put some miles on the fresh motor. If you guys are in the OKC area looking for some window tint, he's the guy to go to. Known him for a long time, he does great work. So Talley Customs, look him up. Thank you, Nick.
Thanks.
So let's just do like 20% on it, strip what's on there, make it look badass like always.
We'll make it right.
Appreciate you, bro.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. me, I have a 2006 STI blue on gold. We actually just finished this project and it's a very special one. Just a quick tidbit and rundown. Jared over at Full Circle Garage had reached out to us and he wanted to surprise his wife with a blue gold 06 STI. And we sourced the car and restored it, and he is actually on his way to pick it up. We're able to talk about it right now because obviously the surprise will be presented before this video drops. And yeah, it's just a crazy, crazy deal, and we know how exciting this moment could be for everybody involved. So we sourced the car, and first thing we did, we took it over to Always Painting Body Shop. Elder and his guys did a fantastic job, completely repainting the car, tore it all the way down, put it all the way back together, did a great job on it. Then we brought it back, paid over to Atomic Detailing. He did a full paint correction on it, got the paint all set up and got everything looking perfect. As far as the engine setup, as you guys know, we pulled the engine out. It ran and drove just fine, but we just want to refresh it and give these guys the best Subaru experience possible. So we pulled the engine out, put a brand new RA short block in it, refreshed cylinder heads, ARP head studs, all new gaskets and seals, all new cam sensors, crank sensor, time belt, water pump, oil pump, all the goodies. We upgraded the turbocharger to a newer STI turbocharger that's a VF48. We also upgraded the intercooler to a bigger stock intercooler, and then we took it over to Ben at BW Tuning, and he performed a dyno tune on the car. It made 300 wheel horsepower, 300 wheel torque on 93 octane. It runs perfect, it drives perfect, and even looks better. So yeah, this project was all hands on deck. It's been a pleasure to be a part of it. And as you know, our obsession with STIs here at Misfire, it goes far beyond the business. I love these cars, Grant loves these cars, Jackson loves these cars, Steven loves these cars, Ben loves these cars, Noah loves these cars. This is a very communal thing, and it's a really cool feeling to give them their first STI experience. So Jared's never driven one, his wife's never driven one, but they've always wanted one. And as you guys know, Jared at Full Circle has a very cool collection of JDM classics, and this is kind of one of the cars that was missing. We just hope that he loves it and just enjoys it, and lots of happy smiles and miles with his family. The rest of the video, I'll let you guys follow his, and he'll take it from here. Thank you guys for following along.